the top 5 reasons why people come to New Hampshire and stay. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. Hello, my name is Tony Wallis. I'm a realtor here with Keller Williams in Bedford, New Hampshire. Today, we're going to share with you the 5 top reasons, according to a study by the University of New Hampshire in 2020, why people come to New Hampshire and stay. Let's get started. Reason number 5, taxes. No income tax, no sales tax. Pretty attractive. If you move from Massachusetts to New Hampshire, you get a 5% raise without even doing a thing. Kind of cool. Number 4 on the list, employment. Lots of opportunities in New Hampshire. Unemployment rate's super low. Employers are offering all kinds of bennies to come on board. They can't find enough help. You've got high tech, you've got tourism, you got healthcare. 3 really strong fields, lots of opportunities for great employment in New Hampshire. So number 3 and number 2 on the list, I'm going to deviate a little bit from what the University of New Hampshire study came up with. I think they complement each other, and they're really, in my mind, 2 and 2A. So that would be quality of life and the natural environment. New Hampshire has a great quality of life, and a lot of it is because of the natural environment. You've got beautiful mountains and lakes, great skiing in the winter, unbelievable time in the summer. You've got a beautiful coastline. It's only 18 miles, but it's really, really pretty. And it's just a very diverse geographic state. Quality of life is enhanced by the natural environment. Again, I think they're 2 and 2A. Number 1 on the list from the study at UNH, family. Great place to raise kids. School systems are really, really good. In some of the towns, they are exceptional. Safe environment, fairly low crime rate, just a wonderful place to raise a family. A lot of people come here for that and they end up staying. It's just a safe place. It's a wonderful place to live. Family was the number 1 on the list, according to the study by UNH. Today, we shared with you the top 5 reasons why people move to New Hampshire and stay. If you found value in what you saw today, please make sure that you like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. And if you want to see more content, more videos, just click up here, more content, more video. Again, my name's Tony Wallis. I'm a realtor with Keller Williams here in Bedford, New Hampshire. All my contact information is in the banner. If you ever have any questions, please reach out. Love to have a conversation. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next video.